Today we will be showing off our new Modern 14 laptop from our content creation series. Let's take a look. The accessories that are included with the Modern 14 is the small cube power adapter, a USB Ethernet adapter, and a laptop sleeve for on-the-go creators. In the white Prestige box is not only the laptop itself, but a warranty registration card as well as a quick start guide. The Modern 14 has a carbon gray brushed aluminum finish and a sleek minimalist design. On the right side of the laptop, you'll find a Kensington lock, a full-sized SD card reader, one USB 3.2 Type-C, and two USB 3.2 Type-A ports. On the other side, you'll find the charger port, a full-sized HDMI, another Type-C, and a combo audio jack. The backlit keyboard is now brighter than previous models, which helps with typing in dimly lit places. The slim and lightweight Modern 14 is powered by the new 10th Gen Comet Lake Intel Core processor and up to an NVIDIA GeForce MX 250 graphics card. It sports a 14-inch thin bezel, 1080p IPS level display. Through an extensive color calibration process, it features a wide color gamut that's close to 100% sRGB. Also included is our exclusive True Color technology, providing a variety of display modes to best fit your various usages. To complement the portability of the Modern 14, the battery life will last up to 10 hours, allowing you to remain untethered throughout the day. The Modern 14 measures out to about 12.5 inches in width, under 9 inches in length, and a little over half an inch in height when the lid is closed. Create wonderful moments with the new MSI Modern 14.